This is for international students who will enter the job market in 2022 or 2023. Now, how will you get rewarded for all of your hard work studying? How will you make sure your career aspirations will materialize? How will you make sure you will be happy and successful at work? The answer is career management. Through skilled career management, you can choose a great employer, secure a job with exciting career prospects, and ensure that you're inspired by the people you work with. Career management is not a natural talent, and people who have a successful career are not just lucky. To be skilled at career management takes training, tools, and hard work, and to be in the right place at the right time. And the right place to be if you want to become skilled in career management is our next Graduate Student Association Transition to Employment Workshop program for international students. In these 2 intensive half-day workshops, you'll learn how to plan your career, design an attractive personal brand, write a standout CV, leverage the power of LinkedIn, impress in interviews, and start your career in Australia. It's going to be intensive and oh so valuable. So if you seriously want to have a successful career, sign up to these career starting GSA workshops. Your career, future income, and work-life satisfaction will thank you for it.